it's Jen from Rustic Rehabs. I am at the Goodwill in Menomonee Falls. It's actually kind of beautiful out for January, and I am excited. Let's go find some spring and everyday decor. $10% off is the last week in January for this Goodwill, so let's see what we can find. I've got some fall and winter art on the walls at the shop that I need to take down, so I'm scoping for some new art or frames that I can easily turn into art with decoupage paper or transfers. These are both cute, just not what I'm looking for. Now this is more what I'm looking for, something that screams spring, and I think this was only $5 and there was 2 of them, so that was a good pick. While we're browsing, I'm going to tell you about some fun things I'm so excited for this weekend coming up. Platinum Sky Farm is having a pop-up of their baby animals that they are coming for Valentine's. So for $20 you get 10 minutes, as big of a group of people as you want, to take pictures with the baby animals. I am so excited about this, you have no idea. Things with birds do so well in my shop, so this has some potential for a few bucks. I think I'm definitely going to take those eggs out and replace it with something cuter. That's all I know for now. I did not get to it yet this week, but it is under my work desk waiting for me to get to it. The other big event is our downtown chocolate walk this week. I will leave a link to that in the comments or the description. I think it's going to be a really fun way to spend some time with those you love and check out downtown Menomonee Falls. And there's a couple of spots still available for our class on Saturday the 8th at 1 o'clock, where you can come learn mixed media with my friend Jane, who's been doing it for over 30 years. It was so fun when I did this with my team that they can't wait to do it again. This was kind of neat, but I don't buy a lot of things with too many words, and it was new, selling on Amazon for $15, so we left it. I love items like this to paint the front of and then use either decoupage paper or transfers. You can go back and watch a live video where we did that this week with our new Prima release. We came out with a whole bunch of new designs for spring, and they are so good. You can see the new designs under Prima on my website, and they're all sorted by the newest first, so you'll see them. And they are going fast, so don't dilly-dally. Make sure to stay tuned to the end, because I take you to Waukesha Goodwill with me, and that cart was overflowing. It was crazy how much art they have there. They have probably the equivalent of a couple of rows of art in that shop compared to the little selection in my Goodwill, which I still do well at. I'm not complaining. This lamp, I had to take some Dawn Power Wash to the lamp shade, but after that, it is in good shape and it is available. Isn't it so cute? I didn't grab any of these lampshades, but I did pick up this very vintage doll high chair. Look at how cute it is with this bunny in it. I can't even stand it. These are a good deal. We'll put them away till next fall, and we will set them up then. This guy needed a complete facial reconstruction, so we're going to pass on him. This heart and snowflake paper cutters make the cutest little pieces for mixed media. So I've been using them on my scraps of dictionary paper, and I can't wait to incorporate this into some more designs. This is a really tall topiary, but it's also pretty cute for $5. So we'll put that away for next year. Well, this year, later this year. This pumpkin was like $23 new at some store and did not have a tag, but they gave it to me for, I think, $4.99, which was more than I would usually pay, but I don't think I'm going to need to paint it. I think it's got a cool paint finish. This cowboy nutcracker looks like it was possibly from maybe Hobby Lobby originally, but I thought it was pretty unique, so we'll put that away for Christmas. This I'm going to turn into something with decoupage or a transfer. This could be a really cute little Easter basket if you just paint over the front and put something else on it. Again, I have a one room to clean out full of things like this, so I am trying to be really picky. But this jewelry box needs almost no work. It needs a good cleanup and something on the top, so we're going to grab this. I have a hard time passing on jewelry boxes, even though I have too many of those right now too. If you'd ever like to come in for a jewelry box class, message me. Let's set something up. We can go use yours, or we can use some of them that I have. I would love to do that for like a girl's birthday party or girls' night, anything like that. These metal kind of rustic farmhouse clocks do really well, and always make sure you bring a battery so you can test it or ask up front, but I just keep a battery in my purse so that I can do it right then and there. How cute is this little bunny? I don't know. I would put floral in it, but you can use it for candy too with the silver ears. I really like this. Tons of floral and vases today, just not the exact stuff I was looking for. We actually got a bunch of greenery in for spring in the shop this week, and I am loving it. Couple peeks at the colored glass before we are headed to the checkout with our full cart. But first we got to grab this. I love this. These different bottles, variations of styles and sizes for $5. Totally my jam. I took a good look at these, and one of them was actually broken, so when I saw one of the managers, I gave it to her. I didn't want anybody to get hurt. Room for one more big vase in this full cart, and then we are headed up. I promise. I thought we were almost there by now. I ended up spending $49 at this trip. I had $17 in rewards, so keep those rewards, people. They do stack up, and it's worth it. That was on Tuesday. Then Friday morning, I needed to meet a friend in Waukesha, so I stopped at the Waukesha Goodwill on Nike. It's a really big Goodwill, and they have things so styled. Look at all these vignettes. I did not buy this pillow for $5 because I figured it was actually probably about $5 new, but their vignettes and their color blocking is so good. Their prices were higher than what I was willing to pay on most things, but we started off slow, but I ended up getting a really, really full cart. So stick around as we head through all these different vignettes. Might give you some ideas of how to stage things yourself, because I'm certainly learning as I look at them. I had no idea that they made a Bob Ross board game, but you turn your scribbles into happy accidents. So I grabbed this and we'll take a look at it. This was really cute, but it was 15 bucks and that was too much. I grabbed these for $4 each and we will put them aside for when I have some lamps, littler lamps, because they're nice shades. Each end cap is also color blocked. I just find this really appealing as a shopper, especially when you're looking for certain things. I wasn't looking for this, but I love this little hanging plant holder. I need to get some dirt and put something in it at the shop. This first lamp, this mercury glass, was 4 bucks. It was really cute. I thought I had a shade for it, but I didn't. But I did find one to match this. This one was so heavy and 7 bucks. I just didn't get a picture of it, but it's on the website. What I'm not showing you right now is behind me is an absolutely full cart of maybe 10 pieces of art. I didn't even know how to film it. I found so much stuff and there's just so much to look through. They didn't have a ton of Easter stuff, but he's cute, so he came back with us. I looked at this rabbit a couple of times. It's cute how he's standing on his head, but I can't get past his weird teeth. It reminds me of like some sort of, I don't know, weird cartoon. I do like this little Santa stocking holder for a couple of bucks, so we'll put that away till later this year. The deer was too expensive, but this primitive snowman is by the Lang Company, August Moon, and so he gets packed away till Christmas. These I had in my cart, but I saw that they were broken, so I put them back. The snowman will go on a wreath, is my plan for Christmas. Feel like this jewelry box may be Bombay and Company, and it was only, I think, 3 or 4 bucks, so we took this. I've not really seen a lamp quite like this. It almost looked like it was needed to be wired, hardwired, so we put it back. Some little kiddo did a really good job on this. He was pretty cute. I can tell it had been fired in a kiln. It was very shiny. I did not get it, but I thought about it a couple of times because I thought it was kind of pop culture cute. And this big spool I did think about, but it was 5 bucks. Not really any money to be made there for me. And this is a business, so I spend my time finding things so that you don't have to, cleaning them up so you don't have to, and inspiring you if you want to. We are headed up toward the checkout, but first I grab a second cart to edit my cart, and I ended up needing 2 carts to get out to my car anyway. After the 10% discount at this store, I spent $115, and look at it, it's a lot of stuff. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, subscribe and or follow, and I will see you next time. Have a great week. And I've got a secret project coming up, so make sure you keep watching and subscribe.